Hi boys and girls, how are you guys doing? Today I will be recording the song from Nat King Cole, L.O.V.E. I recently just came back from a cruise vacation and I have learned a lot about L.O.V.E. on that cruise ship. So I'm dedicating this song to all the cruise couple that I saw on the cruise ship. I think they took a lot of courage to love their partners, and I wish them nothing but LOVE. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love. Is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart, but please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you. So boys and girls, that was my ukulele sing-along for Nat King Cole's cover of L.O.V.E. If you L.O.V.E my channel, please click like and subscribe. And if you have not watched my ukulele video, there they are. I'm going to do ukulele sing-along at least once a month. So I hope you follow this channel so that I can bring you more ukulele songs. All the chords are down at the description or at the subtitle here. So I'll see you in my next ukulele sing-along video. Until then, stay LOVE. Bye!